If you want to resize an image in Photoshop quickly and without ruining the quality, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the easiest way to scale an image using Free Transform, plus a useful center-resize shortcut that can save you a lot of time. This is one of those basic Photoshop skills that every beginner should know, because once you understand it, you can resize images for thumbnails, social media posts, banners, and all kinds of design projects with confidence. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and make sure your image is already in your document as a layer. Over on the right, go to your Layers panel and click the image layer that you want to resize. This step matters because Photoshop needs to know exactly which layer you want to transform. If you have multiple layers in your project, always make sure the correct one is selected before you start resizing. Once your image layer is selected, press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. This activates Free Transform, and you'll immediately see a bounding box appear around the image. These little corner and side handles are what you'll use to change the size. Now, to resize the image, click and drag one of the corner handles inward to make the image smaller, or outward to make it larger. As you do this, Photoshop automatically keeps the proportions locked, so your image won't get stretched or distorted. That means you can safely resize it while preserving the original shape. If you want more control, you can hold the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac while dragging a corner handle. This is a really handy shortcut because it resizes the image evenly from the center instead of just one edge. So if you're trying to keep your image centered in the composition, this is the fastest way to do it. Once you're happy with the size, press Enter on your keyboard or click the check mark in the top options bar to apply the change. That final step commits the transformation, so the new size is locked in. And that's all there is to it. You've now resized an image in Photoshop using Free Transform. And you've also learned how to resize from the center for cleaner adjustments. This is a simple tool, but it's one you'll use all the time in Photoshop, especially when you're arranging layouts or preparing graphics for export. If you found this tutorial useful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.